Alright guys, and we're back with another day of Advent calendar. Today is the 12th. So let's do this one first. And it's a blue Jolly Rancher. I love those ones. Okay, so that's day 11. Oh no, sorry, excuse me, that was day 12. Today's the 12th. We did 11 yesterday. Today was 12. And then elf calendar. Whee! Elf calendar, day 12. Oh, crud. Okay, let's look for day 12. Oh, found it. It's this snow globe envelope. So let's see what's in it, y'all. Let's see what's in it. What's it? What is it? Oh, it's in there good. Give me a minute. I'm gonna tear this whole thing open. What is it? Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh. Does somebody need a hug? It's a little poster. I definitely need to get something for that. And then the back part is just all green. It's the elf. That is so cute. I'll be filming that. I just gotta figure out what size this is. It will not tell me, of course, so I gotta figure it out. But that's so cute. My husband thinks he knows what size it is. Anyways, that was day 12. See you guys for day 13.